So, boys, if you want to search or to make a new website, you must search about WIX website, and it is a website for the ready templates. You just only change and add. So, click on WIX website, then get started. Before you start, you must log in. If you want to log in, you can log in with Google or Facebook. So, I click on Google. Then I choose my account, this one, any account you have, but must be Google or Facebook as you want. After this, waiting for creating my account. Then if you want to start creating a new website, you must go choose create website icon. So when I click on it, he asked me one question if I want to continue with AI chat or without it. So if I continue with AI chat, he will help me to create, design. You just give him what you want and he will help you. But I will start without chat because I'm going to choose the standard way. The standard way to choose your type, the website you want to create. Anything, online store, technology company, restaurants, events, anything. So some of you need online stores now, so I will choose online store. And I can select the specific type for the online store. So I can continue. After this, he giving me what is called, what is your business called. I can make it مثلا for sign dollar M store. Okay, then here describe your words about your online store, what it's going to do. You are going to sell what? You are going to sell jewels, you are going to sell food, anything you want. Then you can click on continue. Here he is asking you what are your goals for this site. So check the items here, the list, and I'm going to the main use for online store to sell products. So you can make, okay? You can choose anything you want. You can choose more than one, okay? So continue. After this, how can we help you sell? So you can ask, import, install WIX, and find drop shipping, design. All of this I can choose it because it will help me to sell my thing. So finish. I give it the name, the goals, and the personalization setup. So waiting for creating our website. Here you start creating it. So let's go. If you want to start your website, make it yours. So here you can choose by domain only, or if you want to buy. So I will choose without selling or need for it now. So we are going to design our site now. And in design our site, we have two options: create, generate with design with AI, and customize templates. So you can try generate design with AI, but I will pick a template for my website. So we have here ready templates. So choose what is the type of your store. You have many pages. You can choose any one of it. So I can choose one of this. Okay. So I'm using it as my website, and he's showing you the design dashboard. Okay. So wait for loading. He is preparing your website here now. You just only choose the template and he created it for you. Okay, I'm going to edit some things, add, move, like this only. So here is, boys, the title of the web page. Okay, so if you want to edit, you can edit here. Quit edit, quit edit here. Okay, so you can change the layout if you want, and if you want to add something, you can add elements from here. Okay, the elements, it can be text, images, button, anything you want. Choose text because this is the first thing. So I can choose this one and it will be added for me here. So you can write anything instead of this. Here, boys, you can see the mobile view and the desktop view. So if I want to make quick edit, I can click on it and just only change. Just only change. So here I make it 3 or 4 sign dollar M online store. So I changed the first thing is the name of the website. So here you can change it to be anything you want. Okay, so you can complete what. So if you want to put your own logo, you can come here and you change this one, delete, and you come add element. Okay, then it shows image, and you have if you want to upload from your computer, or you can search about the internet, عادي, no problem, from Facebook, Drive, anything. So I can upload media from anywhere. Media from WIX also, this ready media. So I can choose one of it to make it faster. So I will add it as a logo. So you can make it small and bring it here. You just only, boys, drag and drop, edit, change. Okay, so this is the first session on WIX website. Anyone have any question? Thank you.